Bissell Power Lift Multi-Cyclone pet. Well, I'll throw it in the car and we'll do a cold start with it. We got an Alberta clipper coming through, so it's kind of nice out. The next couple days is going to be -20, so I'm going to put this back into quarantine. Yeah. Because I did get it from alongside the garbage bin. Okay, I'm going to plug it in and we'll see if it actually starts up. Power on. Got it upside down. Let's see if the actually brush bar works. Turn it back on. Yeah, the brush bar has to work when it's bent. That's working. I'm just trying to figure out how to get this hose off, see if there's suction. I know right here. Okay, I took the 2 screws out of there. And look at the brush bar, full of hair wound around in there. But it's still turning, so that's got to get cleaned out. Now let's have a look here. Okay, now let's see if there's actual suction for this thing. Turned it on. There's a little bit, but it could be. Yeah. There definitely could be more. Let's check the filter on this thing. Filter's missing, so dust is just getting pulled right through the motor. See, it's been working for a while. See the dust there? Okay. I'll pry it right off. See if this is spinning properly. Yeah, it spins. Needs to be cleaned. And lots of time you get hair wound right in there. But this one here seems to be okay. I'm going to take these 2 caps off and lift up the top of it. Air Canada coming in. See why I'm trying to lift the top? See the hair in there? You can see dust. I put the screws in so I wouldn't lose them, and these three here are for the top. See, now it comes off. See, and there's the 3 screws. That needs cleaning. Let's just flip this around and have a look. And this thing's got 2 motors, one here and one over there. But I want to get rid of this. Screw it there. Then this handle can be looks like all the screws are the same size. Oh yeah, disconnect the light. Okay. There. This piece can go. There. 4 screws for the motor. See, there's even stuff underneath it. And this switch, you can just pull it up. There. You can probably blow this out. You can blow this out with air, but don't wash this in the sink. The way that motor was sounding, sounds like there's dust in it. Start it up and you'll hear that. See all the dust flying out of it? That's probably what was happening every time they were vacuuming. Dust was just flying out of it. I can hear it grinding just a little bit. I'm not going to take it apart today, but screws here to get at the motor, because I'm sure that's full of dust. That'll be the other next time.